Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Gmail tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block email addresses in Gmail. So if you no longer want to receive emails from any specific email address, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a filter in Gmail so you can block emails from any email address and they will be automatically deleted instantly. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply go to gmail.com in our browser and log into our Gmail account. Once you get into Gmail, there are two different ways to block email addresses. So if you already have an email from the address that you want to block, simply open the email, and then with the email open, go to the right and select the three vertical dots over here for more, and select block right here. So that'll block that person. So if I select block, it's going to let me know that any future messages will be marked as spam and I will not receive them in my inbox. So I need to confirm that by selecting block. And then as you can see, if that was a mistake, I can unblock the sender. Now, if you don't already have an email from the person, or maybe you deleted it before and you just want to add a filter so that any emails from that address are blocked automatically, what we need to do is open up the settings in Gmail. And we do that by going up to the top right, selecting the gear for settings. And then in the quick settings, select See All Settings. This will bring us to the Gmail settings. And in the top menu, we need to find filters and blocked addresses. Select that. And as you can see, this is where you can also see a list of all your blocked email addresses. From here, we need to select Create a New Filter. Then in this new window that pops up, in the From text area, go ahead and add the email address that you want to block. So I'll just add a fake one. Once we enter the email address, go down and select Create Filter. So now we actually have two options for how we can block this email address. We can first just have it skip the inbox so it's not deleted or anything. It'll just be archived automatically and we'll never see it in our inbox. Or we can have it deleted as soon as it's received. So if you just want to have it skip the inbox, select the checkbox next to skip inbox. Or you can have it automatically deleted as soon as it's received by selecting delete it. And that's what I'm going to do. Once you've selected your desired outcome for that blocked email address, go down and select Create Filter. And as you can see, we have a new filter created where if we receive any emails from this email address, it'll automatically delete them. All right, so that's how you block email addresses in Gmail. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Gmail tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.